Last chapter, we have learned about how to deal collision between game player and game item objects. If game player collides with stage boundaries, left, right, top, and bottom, browser window will display an alert box to show game is over. So where should we implement the logic in our code? Remember, in Snake class, we have a setter method to define Snake class x, y coordinates. The setter method has a parameter value. We can define a conditional statement to check if current position of Snake objects is still inside our boundaries. If not, we can throw an error. The program will stop execution. It means the game is over. Open snake.ts file. Find the setter method. In setX function, define a conditional statement. If the value of a parameter is less than 0, it means out of left side boundary. If greater than 280, it means out of right side boundary. Then throw an error message. Same logic applies to setY function. If the value of a parameter is less than 0, it means out of top side boundary. If greater than 280, it means out of bottom side boundary. Go back to game.ts file. Inside the keyDownHandler function, add a try and catch statement using shortcut key. Inside the try block, it should have all the working code here, so we move the switch statement into try block. Inside the catch block, we call alert box function here to display the game over message. After testing our logic in browser window, it seems after displaying game over alert box, game player still can move around with arrow keys. We need to stop the game execution. Inside the keyDownHandler function, we extract most of the code into a separated method named play. So we call this play method from keyDownHandler function. Game class has a property named isGameOver. We set its default value to false. Here we define a conditional statement, $& following by a function. This expression means if first statement is true, it will execute the second statement. If first statement is false, second statement will be skipped. So inside the try and catch statement, we set isGameOver to true if game player object is out of boundaries. Testing in browser window, it seems after displaying game over alert box, the game stops running. Now we have completed the coding for game collision logic. Next lesson, we will talk about how the game Snake player moves its body